In this scene I have 6 different blocks of the same size. These 3 blocks are basically the groups, and these 3 blocks are components. Now what is the difference is, if I change any parameter of this component, its copies that are the other two will also change that parameter. If I'm about to apply a material to any of its faces, the other two will also show the same texture or color. In the case of a group, this thing does not happen. These groups are basically individual entities, and you can only select them individually and change them individually. Now, how to turn an object into group or a component? You have to select an object, you have to right click on it. Now this has a few different options here. You can make it into a component or make it into a group. I'll want to make it into component. You just have to text the name. Let's text box 2 create. Now this is a component. This has its own axis.